You are welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kemi, and it's really nice of you to click on this video today. Today, we are going to have a review. So, I'm going to be reviewing a very, very lovely product that I've been in the market for a very long time. And I'm sure this product has been around for over a year because I've been selling it for over a year now. And my customers that are using it, they are so happy with it, and they've got very great happy review to give about this product. So I thought, yeah, it's about time that I bring you guys on YouTube this amazing product. So the product I'm going to be reviewing today is the Goldenglow Intensive Aftercast 10 Days Whitening Milk. I'm going to insert the pictures that you can see. The Goldenglow lotion is really, really nice. It's amazing. It works really well. It says it's a 10 days whitening milk. No, that's not true. It's not going to whiten you in 10 days. No matter what you do, it's never going to whiten you in 10 days. But what I would say to you is from my experience and from what the experiences that my customers have shared with me, you will start seeing good results within 10 days. Within that 10 days, you start seeing your skin getting softer, getting smoother, getting more polished, and also it is a repair lotion, which is another reason why I really like this lotion. It is not just focusing on the whitening, but it's also focusing on polishing your skin, glowing your skin, and repairing your skin. So this is not a product that will cause you rashes on your skin or skin issues such as white patches or stretch mark. No, but I'm not saying it is not impossible, but so far so good. Everybody that I know that is using this product have not complained of anything of such. So like I said, it says on the pack that it is a 10 days whitening lotion, and it's a very, very active lotion. It has amazing ingredients, which is glutathione, alpha-arbutin, philipino powder and solution, and carrot oil. As we all know, these are active ingredients that can actually help you to change the tone of your skin and to lighten or whiten your skin tone. Now, this particular lotion is not a lotion that I will suggest for somebody who has a dark skin. So if you're already light skin, then this is good. But if you have dark skin, if you use this kind of product, you might end up with different colors on your body, which is not nice. If you are dark skin, it's good to start, bit by bit and move to the big ones, if I can call it that. But it is a good lotion if you're already light skin, or if you are caramel skin and you have a good skin already, you have an even skin tone. So if you're already suffering from issues with your skin, then this is not a kind of lotion that you need. This is for people who their skin is fine and they just want to enhance their skin, get lighter or whiter. This is a very, very good, amazing product. This is formulated to firm and brighten the skin with dynamic combination of 100% ingredients that targets excessive wrinkles and leaves your skin soft and nourished, moisturized all day long. If I'm going to be honest, I've actually put a little bit of this cream on my hand, and I can tell you it is highly moisturizing, which is not something that is common with whitening product as well, which is what makes this product a very, very good product as far as I'm concerned. Because any product that can give you moisturization and still lighten you at the same time and still treat your skin on the same, in the same bottle, I think that is a yes, 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 anytime. Anything that is in this product that I really like, and that's why I believe that this is also going to help you to treat your skin. This product contains egg yolk. If you don't know, egg yolk helps to reduce inflammation. Egg yolk is an amazing product that can help people that has body acne or have scars on your body, or you have spots on your body. It really, really helps to clear and fade that scalp and increase moisture on your skin, which is one of the reasons why this product is highly moisturizing, because of this particular ingredient that it contains. This ingredient, which is the egg yolk, it can help to prevent water loss from your skin, which means it helps to lock in the moisture anytime you use this lotion on your skin so that your skin is hydrated. And I'm telling you, if your skin is hydrated, you will hardly have any skin issues. When your skin is dry on the irritation that you guys experience, but if your skin is well moisturized, if you're using a product that really moisturizes your skin, then there's less chances of you developing any skin irritation depending on the product. But on this particular product I'm talking about, this product is good because it has very, very good ingredients that will help to maintain a healthy skin, give your skin a very, very radiation of melanin. It contains very, very good active ingredient like the glutathione that I mentioned, alpha arbutin, carrot oil, philipino powder, which is another whitening powder. Another ingredient that it contains that I really like is the allantoin. I really love allantoin in my product because this serves as a moisturizer and it helps to treat and prevent dry, rough, and scaly skin. It helps with minor irritation, which is how this product can help you to treat your skin irritation or skin issues. This is an amazing lotion that I will recommend to anybody who is looking into lightening the skin, whitening their skin, or maintaining their skin. But please, if you are dark skin, don't go near this skin. You don't need this as a cream that you can start with. On the bottle, we said the best quality whitening lotion that helps in facial treatment. Apply morning and evening on a clean skin and gently massage it all over your body. Now, I will not suggest you put this on your face. I'm just not a believer of using body lotion on your face. If you are okay with it, you are good to go. But for me, I just don't like that. So I like my body lotion on my body and my face cream on my face. It's just me. Now, for you to get an even amazing result when using this particular lotion, get the shower gel. This company has more than 4 or 5 shower gel. I'm going to be reviewing those shower gels as well very, very soon. But you can get this shower gel. I'm going to insert the picture. You can get this one or this one. Whichever you get, you can use it with this lotion and you're guaranteed to get amazingly beautiful result. This lotion is very, very good. And like I mentioned, I've been selling this for over a year. So I have hundreds of people that have bought this lotion, and none of them have come back to tell me that it has caused them any issue. I personally call my customers to ask about products before I do a review so that I know that the review that I'm giving is the way that I know that a product is good is when I keep getting repeat orders from customers. When the same customers start to repeat that product month after month, that you know that they're getting satisfaction from that product. And that's how I reach out to them to ask them, tell me what is going on. And they always give me very good, honest reviews. So this is an amazing product. If you're looking to whiten your skin, to lighten your skin, not in this product, you will definitely start seeing good results, but it is not going to whiten you in 10 days. Have you tried this product before? What was your experience? Are you planning to try this? Do you have any other question that I did not answer in this video that you would like to ask me? Please come to my comment section, share your experience, share your ideas, ask your questions, and I'll be so happy to answer all of them. Thank you guys for watching till now. It is now time for you to subscribe, like this video, share this video. Please guys, like my video, follow, subscribe, whatever you need to do so that you don't miss out on any other videos I will be dropping. Until next time, stay blessed.